Hello there and welcome to the new Power BI tutorial video, and in this video I want to show you how you can create the radial chart in Power BI using Charticulator. So radial chart is very useful to visualize, let's say, day-to-day information or very detailed information, just to get some sort of a trend out of it. And on this radial chart we will going to plot the weather data. So over here, if I come on the Power BI, what do I have is a very simple for the Boston as a city. We have daily temperature, as you can see, from 1st of Jan, 2nd Jan, so on and so forth, right? So this is all the temperature data that you have for, I believe, 2015. So it should be all 365 days. Yep. So this is what the data we have. We have the city, we have the average temperature, minimum, maximum, precipitation, average daily wind speed, snowfall and snow depth. And we were going to utilize the Charticulator like this one, Microsoft Charticulator. So if you are coming here on the very first time, I have already posted 2 videos like how to create bump chart and intro to Charticulator, where we have created the lollipop chart, which is very popular in Tableau. So that's something is what I will going to create today for Radial. And the way you get the Charticulator is, first thing first, you need to sign in into your utilizing your official ID, because that's what they need to get custom visual. Then you click on get more visuals, and once you click on the get more visuals, you need to search for the Charticulator like this. So over here, search for the Charticulator, and since it is from Microsoft Corporation, so you can trust it, right? Otherwise there is always an issue like data breach and all that sort of a thing. So again, be careful of what you do with the help of the Charticulator. Another thing is quick information that this sheet, which is a live Google sheet, as you can see, the link of the sheet is present in the description. That way you can come and view all of my previous 200 videos, which is about the Power BI features like visualization, DAX, some dashboards and all is something what I've captured based on my knowledge. And then we have some exercises which I'm keeping in a separate tab so that you can easily search any of my exercise which I'm utilizing using the Power BI Workout Wednesday website. Great website for Tableau and Power BI challenges. And each whenever I time, not like each week, but if every day I can do that, that's amazing, because this is something from the previous year they have posted it. So a lot of good things over here. I highly recommend that you do the exercise on your own, but if you find issue, you can either see my solution or they have their own solution down there at the end of the challenge. So with that information, oops, what did I do? I have just dragged it down. Okay, so if I come back, creating radial chart has become really simple with the help of the Charticulator. I just clicked on the Charticulator, as you could see. So over here we need to add just a couple of fields. Why? Because see, first thing first is you need to go into the edit mode. So the way we need to go into the edit mode is by clicking it over here, right? And radial chart is present here, so you need to make sure that you have the template. So once you click on this link template, you will going to download the template, and you need to also click on the data set. You will going to get the Boston weather data set, right? So make sure you download utilizing these 2 links, the data set and the template. But to import template, we need to add fields. So average temperature, something we need to add, city we need to add, maximum temperature we need to add, minimum temperature we need to add, and precipitation is something we need to put here, but here, right? So now as soon as I add even just one field, import template is enabled. So I'll click on import template. As you can see, I have already downloaded this template, so I can select this. This is a reference, however you can utilize your own data set after understanding the chart. So average temperature, maximum, minimum, precipitation, and I'll give you one scenario as an exercise for this. So you can save the mapping, but you are not getting it. Well, that's the problem, and I sort of scratched my head for almost 45 to 1 hour. And this is why I create the videos, to give, so that you are not scratching your head and you get the solution quickly. So if you are facing the same problem, and that's why I landed on this video, see this. The problem is, it is aggregating the value. So if I click on don't summarize, it will start taking the shape, right? And don't summarize, and every measure just say don't summarize, and you have your chart, right? Make sure you click on save and come back to the report. So that way you can see it start with a probably the winter time, going all the way and showing in the middle like Boston. So that can be something. Think about this can be like your product, for one particular product you want to create, or one particular geography you want to create, and this minimum maximum average value is your sales values, let's say, for example. And this bubble that you're seeing, which is participation, is nothing but, let's say, the discount you have given. And this is what in one of the examples I've shown. You have all of these values. You have sales, you have discount, you have product category. It's just that you need to create one simple table only for one product, let's say. And an example of that is also given over here, right? You will see that how to create a custom table over here. When you will search over here, create table, it should show you how to create a new table using group by function, right? So maybe the new table is the keyword, if I'm not wrong. New table. Yeah, you can see a couple of examples: how to create new table, how to create summarize table, DAX, how to create new table, right? So multiple example I have given you. Just search it by new table, create a new table only to have these 4-5 fields, right? And create a chart like this for you, which is about the minimum sale, maximum sales, what is the discount that you have given. And this will be like very interesting chart in terms of visualizing the entire 1 year worth of your sales information. Or if you have any other scenario in your mind, that also you can do. So that's mainly I wanted to show you how you can create this radial chart, replicate it on your own data by creating a custom table and then utilizing it in your dashboard. That's about it, and I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic.